Hi everyone, this is Jan. I just wanted to drop by and share a quick tutorial with you on how to use the stencilbridge. I hope you'll enjoy this. It's really quick and really easy. I'm using the font called Gracias. It was a free download. I think I found it on the fonts or 1001 fonts. I don't remember, but I've had it for a long time and I really enjoy it. The glyph here to the left is in the Gracias stylist, and it's just the small letter A. I have unioned it to the letter H. I have welded each of the letters together. I've added a box, a horizontal rectangle, and it is behind the lettering. For part of this demonstration, I'm going to hide it, and I'm just going to click on the eye over here in the layers palette and hide that. I'm going to go over to my left toolbar here, and I'm going to click on the stencilbridge. Alright, I have got this set to 1.00 inches. You can make it smaller if you want, and I probably the lowest you can go is 0.10 unless you purposefully set it to a smaller. This will be fine for demonstration purposes. Just place the X where you want it to go. I'm going to do a vertical bridge, and you want to make sure it goes all the way through. Whoops, that one did not. So I'm going to go up here to edit and undo the stencilbridge, and we're going to try it again. So now we're going to go here, and the reason you want it to go through is so that it will connect to your background piece to make it easier, and then you will have this little break. However, it looks very nice and it's really pretty on a stencil, and I'm going to do the same thing in this one. Just like that. Do the same thing for the else. These are fairly large, and if you were doing a 12 by 24 break, you would probably want to make sure that you had that. I did not do one for the O. It's not that huge of a deal. Now I can put this up, and you'll see that when this cuts and I do my stencil and I pull all the areas that are black from the stencil, I will have a great setup for my project. So basically that's it, and that's how you use the stencilbridge. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for joining me.